Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video, starting an online business with no money. This is from my perspective. This is from my experience. When it comes to starting an online business with money, it really doesn't exist in that way. You have to have some type of financial investment that's going to play a role in your overall success. And so unless you are the person that already has money, but just happen to be looking for an online business venture, then that's a whole nother video that we ain't talking about here. So when it comes to having an online business, it's much affordable to start than a brick and mortar traditional business, but you must have some type of investment to get started. Especially for the person that's new to starting an online business but don't have a clue on what that looks like. And so for people who don't have a knowledge, don't have skills, don't have a passion around something that they want to bring to the marketplace and monetize and make a business out of, but you want to generate some type of online money, then this here video is going to talk about opportunity for you. That's a digital training platform that comes with master resale rights that you can take, sell as your own. Even though you didn't create the product, you can sell it like it's your product. You can learn from it. You can take the skills you're going to get from it, position yourself to outsource those skills to people who don't want to build their own funnel and automation because either one, they don't have the time to, two, they tried and failed, or three, they're just not interested in doing so. And so that's how you position yourself to make additional income from the knowledge and skills you're going to learn from the digital marketing training platform and opportunity that come with master resale rights for you to take and resell as your own for a minimum of one-time investment of $500. And so the system that we give you to promote this opportunity on is system.io, which allows you to set it up for free. System.io gives you a free opportunity to join a platform and promote one product or service for free. Anything outside of that, you'll have to upgrade to the next paid plan, which is $27 a month, $47 a month, and then $97 a month. And so, like myself, I do multiple things, so the free version won't help me. It'll get me started and be able to promote one product or service on there, make money from it right quick, and then upgrade to the paid plans because I'm going to need additional capabilities when it comes to the all-in-one platform of system.io. Now, if you're on Facebook, I'm sure you've seen this here system because the group has been plastering away members who've gotten their free certification through system.io. I'm one of those people. And so I'm positioning myself to be able to do three things from just one opportunity. A, the master resale rights that come with it. One-time investment that I make from that is $500. B, the knowledge and skills that I acquired from building out my own funnel and automation. I'm able to position myself to offer done-for-you services for a nice size rate that's going to allow me to make additional income on top of the $500 I'm going to make. And three, it's going to allow me to help me with my own business to get better results from the digital marketing training platform that I invested in that comes with a free community of people who like-minded entrepreneurs like ourselves who we can talk with, we can grow with, we can build relations with, and even some business partnerships will come out of those relationships for some of us. And that's the power of having a built-in community that comes with this master resale rights opportunity to learn and earn at the same time if you're the person that's going to take action. If you're the person who's going to do what you need to do with your investment of $500 is to start with the training right away by setting up your funnel. We have step-by-step videos that's going to teach you how to set up your funnel. And based on the time you have, we have people who've done it in 24 hours. We have people who've done it in 48 hours. We got people done it in 72 hours. We have people done it in 4 days, 5 days. It's all about the commitment that you give to get your funnel and your system built out for you to be able to start promoting this thing to other people who are already looking for opportunity to make money and an opportunity to learn. And so that's my marketing message when it comes to this opportunity is for people who coming online, they're missing the knowledge and skills needed to even do that. And this has a built-in income stream because now with master resale rights, you can sell it as if it's your own. But what I do is let people know that I didn't create the product. All the trainings you're going to see don't have me in it. And so you want to be transparent and honest with your people, because you don't want to come off with this opportunity like you the one that created it, even though you got the rights to sell it like it's your own, where you didn't. And then you got people thinking you're going to be in there doing some training when you're not. You don't want to come off like that. So be transparent and honest with people, let them know. Now, what people will get who join me is they'll get 30 days of immediate support to help fast track their success, to getting their system set up, to getting their automation set up, point them in the right direction on some strategies that they can use inside the training that they want to implement right away, that's going to help them build an audience, build all like and trust, build a brand, build all, and to position yourself to the point where you can maybe make some quick sales by showing up every day inside your business. Not when you feel like it, but every day. And what I'm going to do is give you some suggestions on some platforms to get started with, based on your comfortability or on social media in general that you may already be on or not might be on. And so I'm going to be here to try to guide you through the process of helping you be successful in your online journey, because you need someone that's going to help assist you with that, because it's going to help give you what you need to make money much quicker than you trying to figure this all out by yourself. So when it comes to a starting online business with no money, it doesn't exist in the real world. In theory, you can do affiliate marketing, which is simply promoting other people's product and service for a commission. But in reality, that's not even easy to do, because if it was, we have more and more people making money from affiliate marketing, and we don't. We have people been online for years who've never made a dime. And that's the reason behind that I won't talk about this video. That's a whole other video by itself. So if you're looking for a learn and earn opportunity to make money from this over and over again by reselling it to other people who you're going to get in front of just like yourself, who are coming online looking for an opportunity to make money, who didn't have their own product or service or skill sets that they were going to use to make money from, then this here's the opportunity you want to leverage to get in front of people who looking for what you were looking for. My contact information will be inside this video. I'm going to have a link that's going to take you to this opportunity if you want to invest in it. I'm going to have another link that's going to take you to the system.io that you can register for free account with. It asks for no it asks for no credit card information. You get to check it out for free. If I were you, I'd take advantage of getting you a free account, the system.io, in that link, with that link, so you can go through all the tabs, check out system.io for yourself for free, to find out if this is a good all-in-one system for you before you make an investment. Do that today. Take action now. And I'll see you in my next video.